Hey guys! Today I wanted to share with you a recipe on how to make an acai bowl. It's super easy, nutritious, and healthy for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make an acai bowl with 2 different toppings, and let's get started! You can use any ingredients you want, but here I'm using 1 banana, half a peach, a handful of berries, 3/4 of a cucumber, and 2 to 3 stalks of kale. I buy my acai in frozen unsweetened packs, and they're loaded with antioxidants. They have a high anti-inflammatory effect, they're immune boosting, and they help with skin regeneration and helping repair damaged skin cells. Now I'm adding in all my ingredients, including half peach, a handful of raspberries, or you can add any type of berries of your choice. Now I'm adding in bananas, cucumbers, I'm going to add in my coconut milk, or you can add in any milk of your choice, and I'm going to blend everything together. I couldn't fit in my kale, so I had to blend it first and then added a bit more kale and the rest of my banana to make it sweeter. And voila, you just blend everything together and you have the base of your acai bowl. Now it's time for the toppings. You can add in any topping of your choice, but here I'm just adding in bananas, peaches, coconut flakes, berries, and almonds. And I'm going to top it off with some chia seeds for some extra fiber. Now something that I don't have here is granola, but the crunchiness makes it taste delicious, and that is something that you can add in, or even some sort of almond butter or nut butter of your choice. Hooray! Your smoothie bowl is now complete! Now on to smoothie bowl number 2, which we're going to change up for the toppings. I made a second one here just because I'm also going to give it to my husband to eat. You can add any topping of your choice, but here I switched it up to bananas, berries, peaches, coconut flakes, pumpkin seeds, and I also added in some collagen protein just for that added supplement as well. Usually acai bowls are purple, but I think the veggies that I added in made it turn a bit darker in color as well. Acai is a great natural digestive cleanser, helps the liver and kidney to process and remove waste and toxins from the body. Plus, regularly drinking it can help protect the heart. So I hope you enjoyed the video today and hope that you'll give it a try to make your own acai bowl recipe, and hope you have fun with the toppings. Thanks so much for watching. Visit primephysiquenutrition.com for more videos.